Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So this is episode 17 of season 2. This is what we are doing in episode 17. This gorgeous design here. It's really amazing. It's really beautiful. I'm sure you can't wait to get into the tutorial, but make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what to be doing in episode 18, because at the end of the video I'll introduce episode 18. So make sure you watch to the end so you know what we'll be doing in the next episode, and let's dive right into the video. I'm using 0.25 beading thread, and I've put a needle at each end of my thread. I'm using about 200 centimeters length of thread, and these are the materials I'm using. The materials will be in the description box at the end of the video. You can just check them out. I just went ahead to pick 3 bicons, and I'm going to pick one more to cross thread with it. So basically that. Yeah, and if you've watched episode 16 already, then just skip to the 7th minute so that it gets to episode 70, because it's basically episode 16 I'm building on. I'm just going to cross thread just like so, and this is what I have. I'm just going to pin it down real quick. So you know exactly what is going on, and this is what we have at this moment. So I'm just going to pick 2 bicon 1 pearl on my right needle, then I'm going to pick 1 pearl 2 bicons on my left needle. Just note the difference. It's not the same, so just note the difference. The left is 1 2 and the right is 2 1. That's 2 bicon and 1 pearl. I'm just going to cross thread with 1 more bicon. The blue bead is called bicon, so I'm just going to cross thread with 1 more bicon, and that's how I'm cross threading, just like so. Let's try 1 more, and then I'll just leave you to watch closely. So I'm using this wine bead here. I'm going to pick 1 pearl, then 2 bicon on the left, then 2 bicons and 1 pearl on the right. Then I'm going to cross thread with 1 bicon, just like so. You can see it's very easy, right? So just watch closely, and then we'll continue from where we stopped in episode 16. Just watch closely. It's very easy. And if you are new, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Please subscribe. It goes ahead to help my channel very much, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and leave a comment. Leave a comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I will surely respond to your comments. Thank you so much. Just enjoy the video, and we'll get back to the video when we are supposed to get back. So there's the length I wanted. Once I got to the length I wanted, I just went ahead to get rid of the excess thread, and this is what we have now. Yeah, please hit the subscription button. I'm going to attach my jump and clasp rings. So this is how they look like. They are very easy to open. These are the rings and this is the clasp ring. So I'm just going to attach one jump ring to a clasp ring, just like so. And then I close it. But before that, I'm just going to attach it to my bracelet, and this is what we have. It's very easy, right? Yeah, very easy and very simple. I'm just going to attach the other ring to the other end of the bracelet, just like so. You can add as many rings as you want depending on the length, and it's advisable to use the rings because you can add more. So if the person is big, the person can use whatever size the person wants to wear it on. I believe that makes sense. The more the rings, the looser. I don't know what to say. The more the rings, the looser the bracelet becomes if you close it at the last ring. So you can add as many rings as you want, so that if the person wants to loosen it or tighten it, that one is up to the person. Now I've gone ahead to double threaded my needle. I'm using a double thread and a single needle, and I'm going to attach it to the pointed part of the bracelet. So I'm passing my needle through, and I'm passing my needle back through the thread. So this is what we have. And I'm just going to pass my needle through the bicon close to the pearl, just like so. Now I'm going to pick 2 bicons and 1 pearl. Now I'm going to pass my needle through the next bicon close to the pearl. I believe that makes sense. So the next bicon close to the pearl, and this is what we have. We are just trying to make the bead 3. So I'm just going to repeat the process till I get to the end of the bracelet. Just watch closely. So 2 bicon, 1 pearl, then we go to the next bicon close to the pearl, the last bicon. Yeah, so just watch closely. It's very easy, very easy and very simple. And we'll get right back to introduce episode 18 before we finish it up. Just watch closely, you will get it. If you don't get anything, just let me know in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. Yeah, and I do one-on-one tutorial too, so if you need any tutorial, one-on-one tutorial, you can just leave a message in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. I will send you my WhatsApp. We will talk backstage and then we'll know how we'll go about it. So just watch closely, and please if you've watched up to this point, I know you've enjoyed the video, just subscribe. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be more than grateful. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for believing in the PAMA brand. Thank you for always coming back, and thank you so much. This voiceover is not really the best because I just woke up from bed, and this video is supposed to come out tomorrow, so I have no option than to do this voiceover, but I'm trying to give you the best right now. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Let's watch. So once I got to the length, the end of the bracelet, I just tied a couple of knots and I went ahead to get rid of the excess thread. And guys, this is episode 17. I'm sure it's amazing. It's nice. It's really nice. You can't wait to try it yourself, and let me know in the comment section how much you will be selling it, how much you think we should sell it. And guys, let's welcome episode 18. Yeah, so this is what we are doing in episode 18. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Please smash that subscription button, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment episode 18 is out, so that you don't be left out. Yeah. And I'll surely get back to you in episode 18. Yeah, stay safe and be careful. COVID is still out, and I'll catch up with you in episode 18. Bye.